We'll guide you through 4 different ways to transfer photos from an iPhone to an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This may be all the photos or some, and we've got different methods for that. For the first method, come onto the phone where the photos currently are, open Photos. Press select in the top right and start selecting the photos you want to go and do this with. Then you can go and press share in the bottom left. Come onto the device where you want to move them, drag down in the top right, and you want to go and find AirDrop. Go and tap there and make sure it's going turned on, and you can go and set it to everyone just to make things easier. Now you can go and press AirDrop where the photos are, and you can go and select the phone like so. Now it goes and says waiting, and they're going to go and start transferring. It'll say AirDrop complete, and then here they are. Alternatively, head to the settings on both iPhones. I'll do it on this one for now. Then at the top, you can go and press your name, go down to iCloud, and you can go and find photos. So you can go and switch this on, and this will go and back up all the photos and videos into iCloud, and you can go onto the other device and turn it on there as well, and they'll go and be synced and stored. The only bad thing is you may have to go and pay for more storage if you haven't got enough and you've got a lot of photos and videos. For the next way, we're going to be using something called Google Drive. So you can go and open up the App Store, press search in the bottom right, search for Drive. So Drive is a file sharing platform and a storage platform, so you can go and get it. Now you want to come into your photos. Select the photos you want to do this with, press share in the bottom left, and then what you can do is go and press drive. You may need to scroll along to find that. Then at the bottom, you can press folder, just go and make a new folder so you can easily find it. Press create, and then you can go and press save here and press upload in the top right. When it's complete, it will disappear. Then you can go and get Drive on the other iPhone. Make sure you're using the same Google account, and you can press files and then go and find the folder. Here they are. Tap and hold on one of them like so, and then you can press select all in the top right and press the 3 dots, and you can then go and press download. For the last method, this will work well if you're doing them all. Press select in the top right and you can start dragging it up. Then you can go and press the time in the top right. Keep moving your finger and you've got them selected like that. For this guide, I'll just go and do a few. So let me go and drag up like this. Once you've got them selected, you can go and press the share button in the bottom left. This time we're going to be using an external drive. So I'll go and link some down below, but what you can do is get one and you can go and plug it into your device. Press save to files. Press the back button in the top left and you can scroll down to locations. Find the drive and you can tap on it. Press the 3 dots in the top right and create a new folder. You can then go and tap on it and you want to go and press save and wait for it to complete. When it's complete, it will then go and close like this and we can go and unplug it. Now you want to come onto the other iPhone and go and plug it in. Swipe across, go and find the Files app. Press Browse in the bottom right, find the folder you made, press the 3 dots in the top right and press Select, and then what you can do is go and press Select All, press the Share button in the bottom left, and what you want to do is go and press Save, and that'll then go and save them to your photos. Wait for that to complete. Leave a like if you found this useful.